Ice storm warning in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday.
That's rare.
What? Significant icing. Additional ice accumulations of 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. Where? In New York, northern Warren, northern Washington, and Hamilton counties. In Vermont, Bennington and western Wyndham counties above 1,500 feet in elevation. When? Until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts. Significant ice accumulation on power lines and tree limbs may cause widespread and long-lasting power outages. Very slippery sidewalks, roads and bridges are possible. Additional details. In southern Vermont, the significant icing is expected for elevations above 1,500 feet. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. Do not touch down blinds and report any power outages to your electric company. Travel is highly discouraged due to slick roadways and the possibility of down trees and power lines. Ice storm.